In Lesson 19, we learn the 5 variations of asking questions with why. Everyone overuses why in a question. However, in conversation, there are 4 other alternatives which you should become familiar with. And in this lesson, you will find a simple format to help you begin to get used to it, to begin to hear yourself using the pattern, and to become more comfortable with it. What I do is I will give you a sample question with why. On the side here, there are 4 alternatives. The only exceptions are with this pattern. Sometimes sounds strange with negative questions and adjectives. And I don't know why that is, but there are some exceptions. And in this pattern here, why and that are optional. You don't need to use them if you don't want to. So what we do is we give you, on the right of this video, there is a PDF. And in the PDF, you will find this printed. There are 25 questions on each page. There are 3 pages. So you will have a total of 75 questions that you will be converting from why to what for, why is it that, how come, and what is the reason why. So it will give you a bit of help in becoming to familiarize yourself with those patterns. Plus, it helps to practice the patterns that we've learned in the first 19 hours. So you will find patterns in each of the questions that are patterns that you previously learned, and once again will help you to familiarize yourself with not only the patterns with why, but the patterns that you learned in the first 19 hours. Thank you.